This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fish on a Blackstone griddle. First, let's get your griddle ready. You'll want to preheat it to a medium-high setting, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's hot, lightly oil the cooking surface with a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed. Finally, make sure to pat your fish fillets completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that wonderfully crispy skin we all love. Now that your griddle is prepped, it's time to season your fish. Generously apply salt, pepper, and any other spices you enjoy to both sides of the fillets. Once seasoned, carefully place the fish skin side down onto the hot griddle. Let it cook undisturbed for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll know it's ready to flip when the skin is beautifully golden brown and the fish easily releases from the griddle surface. After the first side is perfectly cooked, it's time to gently flip your fish. Continue cooking for another 2 to 4 minutes on the second side, adjusting the time based on the thickness of your fillet. To ensure it's safe to eat, the internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. A great indicator of doneness is when the fish easily flakes apart with a fork. Don't overcook it. Your delicious griddled fish is now ready to be served. Transfer it to a plate and garnish with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of your favorite herbs like parsley or dill. Enjoy the incredible flavor of perfectly cooked, flaky fish with that irresistible crispy exterior. It's a simple yet impressive meal. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.